100 million households are about to get a serious jolt of JNL. Yes, I'll be back on a shopping channel on TV on Evine, representing this fabulous brand of protein bars, Premier Diet. Now, I'm really thrilled because Evine is in over 100 million households in the United States and some parts of Canada. So make sure you check your local listings. I will be joining other celebrity brands such as Paula Deen, Celine Dion, the designer for Chanel, Karl Lagerfeld, also Lisa Vanderpump, and even Sylvester Stallone's wife, Jennifer Stallone. I am beyond excited to share my passion for this new protein bar, which I absolutely love, which is chock full of beets, broccoli, carrots, and kale. Yes. So I'll see you guys on April the 24th on Evine. I believe in you.